Today we're going to see a payment sync over from Ramp into Sage 100 via the Anywhere Apps connector. So here we have a bill that has the payment status, payment initiated, and we're going to take note of this invoice number, TST123452. So we want to show you that within this Sage 100. So we're going to initiate the manual sync with Ramp. Now it's important to notice that the integration, which is installed in your environment, will be scheduled to do this automatically on a regular basis. But if you need it done immediately, there is the manual option that we're showing here. We're going to pull up the batch, and then we're going to pull up the payment. All right, it's for 451 from Airway Property, which is what we were expecting. And here you can see it's TST123452. All right, thank you so much.